moved to Japan. For them, they turned their defeat into discipline. All of us know Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Nagasaki, I believe. Hiroshima was the big one. You know, two. They knocked them the first one. They knocked them another one. They carry white flag up. They say, I not do again. Oh. Have mercy on me. Pardon me. You know. But they didn't go back and start saying, oh, no. They just raised their flag up. You know, they are defeated. Obviously, you know, there are stories. I think it's a fact, actually, that till this day, the effect of the boom, and I know they use those words before TikTok will begin to shout now. They had TikTok, you know. But there are still stories that till this day, the effect of those two blasts, right? Still they show for there. It's still a show for there till this day. They were defeated totally. Economy in ruins. What did they do? They focused on education, technology, manufacturing, quality. They invented cars like Toyota, Honda, Sony is being made there, Panasonic. You see how I was talking about the Obunigwe, what they talk about, right? Yes, Igbo people invented things in that time. But how did we turn it around after the war? How did we turn it around? Instead, we focus on talking about history. Let's keep liking, by the way. Let's keep liking and sharing and get more people here to join the show. Let's keep liking and get more people here to join the show. You know? This is not how Japan do their own. You know? They focus on education. The lack of education for Southeast is part of our problem. I don't know. Secondary education should be mandatory in the Southeast, so that at least people go school, they feed, they think. And then add it with free or subsidized, where they really cheap, so that people they're more motivated to go. Vocational training. Those things are important. Education no be scam. If you have a population with a lot of uneducated people, na catastrophe you define. That is why you see today, human being where God create. I'm not a religious person, right? But you get the point. Now, normal talk with the talk. Human being where God create and finish. Nnamdi Kanu tell make you enter bush, go they leave. Human being enter bush, go they leave. Saying they find Biafra. I be saying they find Fulani people inside bush. Imagine if those people are educated. Then go think I'm small. Say, nah, what they go do for bush? Time why I go use go they find money to buy food, chop. Time why I go use they find money to marry. They find wife, marry. Time why I go use the hustle to find money, build house. Time why I go use the find money, you know, to make my parents they comfortable. Another person there for where in there, the time we make I enter bush. Education. Japan focused on education. We have not focused on it. Shout out to the one where they do. Iba boy. Iba boy is good. That's something that we also need to talk about. Shout out to Iba boy. Iba boy is good. But I hope that the Igbo government, the Southeast, you know, leadership would somewhat mandate it. Make that Iba boy needs to become a policy, an actual policy, because it's something that, you know, they say Harvard don't even study them, right? We need to be proud of it, but enhance it. And things like education, not be just from primary school. Taking for somebody from primary school to go learn that work, I don't think it's the best. Make that person at least finish secondary school. Make the person at least solve plenty mathematics, solve plenty quadratic equation, do plenty exam, so that in brain go open more. That's how you do it. Iba boy is great. It's a very great idea, but government, the Igbo leadership, the Southeast leadership need to put eye inside and enhance it for the betterment of everybody. You know? Japan didn't just, we are not, today we know they talk about war and Japan. Yeah, you can remember Hiroshima and Nagasaki, right? But we know Japan more today because of their excellence, right? You go Japan, for their gutter, fish. Fish, 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 they swim. And not be just anyhow normal fish, oh, colorful fish. For gutter. Gutter. Fish, they swim for gutter. Gutter na tourist attraction for Japan. That is excellence. Today, nobody they talk about Japan, they talk about war. Everybody they talk about their excellence. If people are going to visit Japan, a small country, oh, but their GDP no be here. You want try? They be number 3. If they no be number 3 for world, they are number 4. If they no be number 3 for world, they be number 4. Small country. People will suffer 2 heavy bomb blasts. Wait till today, they still feel the effect. But for us in Ndigbo, for some reason, we focus a lot. We focus a lot on our history. Japan, that their history is a part of their identity, obviously. They figure Memorial Day when they talk about but they do not make it to be the 100% of them. That's not what Japan is known for. Japan is known for Toyota. You want to go? Japan is known for Toyota, no be war. Toyota. Japan is known for Toyota. Technology. Technology. Yeah? Japan is known for technology and excellence. Anybody will buy Toyota, that person is almost guaranteed that car no go spoil for the next 10 years. Not spoil per se, you're going to do your normal routine maintenance. But you're sure, say they buy quality motor. Anybody will buy Toyota. That is because Japan focused on excellence, education, technology, manufacturing, innovation. They did not focus on their history. See, as they give us countries who don't suffer more defeat way big past the one where we suffer. But we focus on, the 3 million lives, the Laburi Accord, this one, that one, Juku is the greatest person, Nnamdi Kanu is my savior, this one, Igbo presidency, Anemeboy. It doesn't help anybody. We need to start thinking out of that.